When it comes to buying a car, most people think cheap means unreliable. But what if we told you there are cars so affordable and so durable that they routinely cross 300,000 to even 500,000 miles with basic maintenance? Today, we're counting down 10 of the cheapest cars that last forever. These vehicles are known for bulletproof engines, low repair costs, and legendary reliability. If you want a car that won't drain your wallet and will stay on the road for decades, this list is for you. Let's get started. Number 10. Ford Crown Victoria. The Ford Crown Victoria is one of the most underrated, long-lasting cars ever built. Originally designed for police departments and taxi fleets, this car was engineered to survive abuse. It uses a 4.6-liter V8 engine that's known for extreme durability. The body-on-frame construction makes it tough, easy to repair, and cheap to maintain. Suspension parts are simple, engines are understressed, and replacement parts are everywhere. Many Crown Victorias have crossed 400,000 miles, especially former police units that were maintained regularly. You can still find them used for very low prices, making them one of the best durability bargains in America. Number 9. Honda Fit. The Honda Fit may look small, but its reliability reputation is massive. Powered by a simple 1.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, this car avoids turbochargers and complicated tech that often fail over time. Honda's manual and automatic transmissions in the Fit are known to be extremely dependable. Fuel economy is excellent, repairs are inexpensive, and the interior surprisingly holds up well. Many owners report 300,000 plus miles with nothing more than routine oil changes and timing service. If you want a cheap, efficient, and nearly indestructible daily driver, the Honda Fit delivers. Number 8. Toyota Corolla. No list about long-lasting cars is complete without the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is famous for one thing: it never dies. Its engines are simple, over-engineered, and built to last. The transmissions are smooth, durable, and proven over decades. This car doesn't try to impress, it just works. That's why you'll find Corollas still running strong after 30 years on the road. Maintenance costs are among the lowest in the industry, and parts are available everywhere. Cheap to buy, cheap to own, and built to last. This is reliability at its finest. Number 7. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius is proof that hybrid cars can last forever. Many people worry about battery replacement, but Toyota's hybrid systems are extremely reliable. Taxi companies routinely drive Prius models over 500,000 miles. The engine runs at lower stress because it's assisted by electric motors, which increases longevity. Brake wear is also reduced due to regenerative braking. Fuel economy is outstanding, making it one of the cheapest cars to own long-term. The Prius isn't exciting, but it's one of the smartest durability investments you can make. Number 6. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 combines affordability with long-term reliability. Older models use naturally aspirated engines that are simple, efficient, and long-lasting. Mazda's manual transmissions are particularly strong, often lasting the lifetime of the vehicle. The car offers a sporty feel without sacrificing reliability, which is rare in this price range. With proper maintenance, many Mazda 3s easily cross 300,000 miles. It's a great option for drivers who want something fun yet dependable. Number 5. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is one of the most durable midsize sedans ever made. Whether it's the 4-cylinder or V6 engine, Camry powertrains are known for lasting decades. They're smooth, reliable, and easy to service. The suspension and interior materials are designed for comfort and longevity rather than flashy features. Many Camrys have crossed 400,000 miles and are still used daily. If you want space, comfort, and legendary reliability at a low cost, the Camry is hard to beat. Number 4. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has earned its reputation as one of the most dependable cars in America. Honda engines are known for running clean, smooth, and long, especially the naturally aspirated 4-cylinder models. The Accord offers excellent balance, performance, comfort, and reliability. It's also extremely well built, with interiors that age gracefully. Routine maintenance is simple, and parts availability is excellent. A well-maintained Accord can easily last 350,000 miles or more. Number 3. Lexus ES 350. The Lexus ES 350 proves that luxury doesn't have to mean unreliable. Built on Toyota engineering, this car offers premium comfort, with legendary durability. The 3.5-liter V6 engine is one of Toyota's most reliable engines ever made. It's smooth, powerful, and incredibly long-lasting. Owners routinely report 400,000+ miles with minimal issues. If you want a quiet, comfortable car that lasts forever, the Lexus ES 350 is a hidden gem. Number 2. Toyota Avalon. The Toyota Avalon is often called a million-mile car. It shares its engine and platform with Lexus models, but at a lower cost. The ride is smooth, the cabin is spacious, and the reliability is outstanding. These cars are often driven by older owners, meaning many used examples are well-maintained. The Avalon's V6 engine is nearly indestructible when serviced properly. It's one of the best cheap used cars if you want comfort and longevity combined. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The king of long-lasting vehicles is the Toyota Land Cruiser. This SUV is legendary worldwide for surviving extreme conditions. Its engines are massively overbuilt and designed for reliability, not efficiency. Land Cruisers are known to cross 500,000 to even 1 million miles. Yes, fuel economy is poor, but durability is unmatched. These vehicles are built to last generations. Even older models command high resale value because people know they last forever. If reliability were a competition, the Land Cruiser would win every time. Final thoughts: cheap doesn't mean disposable. These cars prove that with smart engineering and proper maintenance, a vehicle can last a lifetime. If you're buying used and want peace of mind, any car on this list is a solid choice. Let us know in the comments. Which of these cars would you drive forever? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.